Good morning, everybody. We're here at one of our usual meeting places, Nangarrow. We're going to the Weston Cider Mill today for a tour around the cider place and a ploughman's lunch. So we got a beautiful morning. It's looking nice. It's Kev. You got a nice turnout here. I think we're meeting a few people there, but Matt is our road captain today.
Morning.
So good morning, Matt. Where are we going? Where is it?
It's a short 90-mile ride, 2 hours over the Brecon Beacons, A40, through Gilwan, head to the valley, and then up to Ross-on-Wye.
Nice. Is it Ledbury, it says on the thing? So yeah, it's going to be a good day. Have some fun. I'm going to try using an Insta360 a bit today. So see if we get some different shots. See how it goes. Anyway, let's go. when you're biking and you've got a bit wet, but then it's warm and goes dry, and you can get all the rain off everything dries off. Feels fantastic. Let's hope the rest of the day stays nice. Excellent. Right, we've arrived here at Weston Cider Mill. It's over there. Hang on, got a tree in the way. Gonna have a tour now. Little look around. Nice bit of lunch. Are you ready, boys?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm absolutely starving.
Excellent. Let's go and have a look. It's recording here. How's it right, boys?
Mildly moist. A little bit wet.
Hey!
Some
Hey,
bastards come on their bikes.
I know, it's not the nicest day. Right, we had a nice visit here. Good tour. Nice ploughman's, good bit of lunch. Gonna say goodbye now. Everyone's getting ready. I think a lot of us are making our own way back, but I'll do a little bit more filming now on the way back, see if I see anything scenic. I'll see you all later. Well, we've had a nice coffee on the way back here. Costa Coffee, end of the A40. Everyone's on their way. Only a couple of us left now. Most people made their own way home. It's been a nice day. So let's head up the M4, A470 now. Get home. See you later. Well, I've successfully made it home. That was a lovely ride. Turned out really nice weather-wise on the way back. Traffic wasn't too bad. They were able to cut through with the bikes, so that's always good. But if you watched today, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you all soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Soon are coming now to take you away.